لنا أدا يا صاحي كي تستريح.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين الطيبين الطاهرين. أما بعد، قال الله تعالى في القرآن الكريم: أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق، خلق الإنسان من علق، اقرأ وربك الأكرم. وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم، أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Dear President, my respected teachers, principal and my dear friends, today I am here to present a speech on importance of education in Islam. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Knowledge has been made as a symbol of human distinction and characteristics by Allah, the Most High, and takes place within the scope of the limited life of a human being. But the life of a human being has been made the basis of the second life by the Lord of the worlds. The first life is the life of the world, which is limited to the knowledge obtained from human efforts and experiences. Then the knowledge about the second life after that, and the benefits and harms that will be there, is obtained from the knowledge given by the Lord of the worlds. And that knowledge has been told to us by the Prophet sent by Allah. It also contains the benefit of the worldly life and also contains the benefit of the other life. We cannot ignore the importance of education in our life at any cost. As we see daily in the society, lots of social issues are there just because of the lack of proper education. Social issues like inequality, gender discrimination, religious differences, and so many problems and issues are there because of the lack of proper education in our life. Education is the key to solve all the social, personal and professional problems of the people. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Dear friends, education plays a very important role in everyone's life. Education is basic human right. It provides freedom and empowerment to everyone. It makes us independent. What is meant by knowledge? The fact is that whatever kind of knowledge you take gives respect to a person. A person can get professional only from the knowledge. Army and wealth do not really respect him. Be active in acquiring knowledge. If you acquire the worldly and practical knowledge, you will be successful only in this world. And if you acquire the knowledge of the hereafter, saves man from disgrace, from both in this world and in the hereafter, and gives honor and glory. Brother of the nation, education is a means of achieving a world of peace, justice, freedom and equality for all. Thus, education is extremely necessary for all. This is the reason why Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam made it obligatory for every member of the Ummah to learn knowledge of the religion. If anything, the greatest importance in the Holy Quran is knowledge. The first word of the Holy Quran is اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. Read in the name of your Lord. In another verse, God says, قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون. O Muhammad, you say that are those who know and those who do not know cannot be the same. In the hadith, Hazrat Muhammad, peace and blessings of God be upon him, says, طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. That seeking knowledge is obligated on every Muslim. In another hadith, the saying of Prophet Islam is, خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. Learn knowledge and teach it to the other peoples. Dear friends, Islam is a religion of nature and also complete code of living. There is no area of human life where Islam doesn't guide him completely. And it is a fact that every human being can be successful when he should live his whole life accordance with Islam. Today, no one recognizes the importance of religious knowledge. By the knowledge of religion, wipes out the storm of distortion and falsehood with the shining rays. Remember my words, no good life is possible without education. We pray to Allah to make us understand the knowledge of religion and its importance in our heart. Ameen Ya Rabbil Alameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.